Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you to one of the material from physics is the simple pendulum. In simple pendulum this we start from introduction. The introduction of simple pendulum is a device that consists of a small mass called a bob suspended by a light. It is extensible string from a fixed point, allowing it to swing freely under the influence of gravity when displaced from its equilibrium position and release. The pendulum oscillates back and forth due to the restoring force of gravity acting on the bob. The motion of a simple pendulum is an example of simple harmonic motion, provided that the angular displacement is small. The time taken to complete one full oscillation is called the period, which depends on the length of the pendulum and the acceleration due to gravity, but is independent of the mass of the bob and the amplitude of oscillation for small angles. The next is a basic concept of a simple pendulum. A spindle pendulum consists of a small, heavy object called a bob suspended by a light string from a fixed support. When the bob is displaced from its real position and release, it swings back and forth under the line influence the gravity. The restoring force that pulls the bob back towards its equilibrium position is the component of gravitational force acting along the arc of motion. This force causes the pendulum to move in periodic motion, meaning it repeats its path in equal times interval. When the displacement is small, then about the motion of the pendulum can be considered simple harmonic motion. Number 1 is the restoring force is directly proportional for the displacement. Number 2, the motion is regular and oscillatory. And the last, the acceleration due to gravity at the location. Next is kit for simple pendulum. The kit for simple pendulum is R6 kit. Number 1 is bob. The bob is a small dense object, usually made of metal like brass or steel, that acts as the mass of the pendulum. Number 2 is strings. Number 3 is support or stand clamp. This is the fixed point from which the pendulum is suspended. It provides stability and ensures that the pendulum swings freely without slipping. Number 4 is protractor or angle scale. That is used to measure the angle of displacement of the pendulum from its equilibrium positions, help to ensure the oscillations are small, maintaining simple harmonic motion. Number 5 is stopwatch, used to measure the time period, the time taken for one complete oscillation. Accurate timing is essential for calculating gravitational acceleration or verifying the period formula. And the last is ruler, used to measure the length of the pendulum from the point of suspension to the center of the bob. And the next is objective of simple pendulum. Number 1 is objective of the simple pendulum experiment is to determine the acceleration due to gravity at a given place using a simple pendulum. Number 2 is to study the relationship between the time period of oscillation and the length of the pendulum. Number 3 is to verify that the time period of a simple pendulum is independent of the mass and amplitude. And the last is to confirm that the motion of a simple pendulum for small angles is simple harmonic motion. This is a simple pendulum equation. There is 3 equations you can use for simple pendulum. Number 1 is equation of motion or restoring force for a simple pendulum in simple harmonic motion. There is F, and F is for restoring force acting on the pendulum bob. M for mass of the pendulum bob in kilograms. G for acceleration due to gravity. In G is minus 9.8 meter per second quadrat. That's next is theta, angular displacement in radians, and the next is X is for linear displacement of the bob along the arc. And it's in meters, and the last is I for length of the pendulum strings, and it's in meters. Number 2 equation is for restoring force of a simple pendulum. That's F for the restoring force acting on the pendulum bob, and M the mass of the pendulum bob. G is the acceleration due to gravity, and theta is the angular displacement. And number 3 is the equation for time period formula of a simple pendulum. T is a time period, M for mass, K for effective force constant, L for length, G for acceleration due to gravity, and pi is a 3.14. That's it for equation of simple pendulum. So the next is the table 1. This table for simple pendulum. Where is this table? It can be seen that if the length of the rope is filled with length of 20 cm and given a different load, then the swing time required will also variative. As you can see, the rope length is 20 cm and the weight is different. There is number 1 is 75 gram, number 2 is 100 gram, number 3 is 175 gram, and the 10 swing times is also different with period, and T2 is also different. The next is the same, but the rope length is different, which is 25 cm for the table 2, and the 10 swing time is more higher than the table number 1. In this, the table number 3 is the rope length is 30 cm and the weight is same for table number 2 and number 1. Also, 10 swing time is different and more higher than table number 2 and table number 1. This is table number 4 is 35 cm for rope length, and 10 swing time is also different and more higher than the previous table. And the last one is 40 cm for rope length and 10 swing times or period, and T2 is also different and more higher than the previous table. This is the reference you can use for the simple pendulum material, and this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. and see you next time. Bye bye.